Okay guys, welcome back to my channel, Beauty Over 50. This was the painting that I was working on, and I told you guys I would come back and show you guys what it looked like when I was done. So I finally finished it, and I hung it on the wall, and this is what it looked like. It came out. I'm satisfied with it, but I had to keep going over it and over it with cut glass. So I finally got it done. So now what I'm thinking, I have to find two wall sconces to go on each side of the picture to bring it out a little more. So there it is, guys. Just wanted to come back and show you guys what it looked like. And like I always say, go for what you want, speak your truth, and change starts with us. And I will see you guys very soon in another video. Bye-bye.